Hello everybody. Buttermilk chicken Naanwich. I've been asked to do this a few times and he's annoying me to do it. So Jags, this one I'm going to do for you today, mate. Nice and simple. Hopefully it's going to be delicious. Yeah, so buttermilk chicken Naanwich, and I'm just going to put some lettuce in. I'm not putting all different kinds of salads. Yeah, let's see how we get on with it. Let me show you. Okay, this is everything I've got. I've got chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, because chicken thighs are a lot more juicy, aren't they? And they are better, I think, anyway, myself. Some buttermilk. I've got paprika, garlic granules, some cumin, some turmeric, some onion granules, a bit of salt and pepper, and a couple of cups of plain flour. That's it, nice and simple. All I want to do is get my chicken into a bowl. Get it all in there. I've done quite a lot of chicken thighs because I'm thinking I'm going to do a few and then I'm going to freeze them, if you get what I mean. And then they can just be fried up when they need to be, that's all. Buttermilk, 80p from Tesco this was. 80p. Get all that in. Now you obviously want to leave it as long as you can. Mix it all together. I'm going to leave it as long as I can for the video, but if you left it overnight, it'd be a lot better for you. Do you get me? Right, I'll wash my hands, we'll wrap that up, and we'll get it in the fridge. There we go. Nice and easy. In the fridge as long as you can leave it. Say overnight would be better, but needs must. Now while that's in the fridge, I'm just going to get my flour and I'm putting a tablespoon of everything in there, apart from my salt. Probably put a teaspoon of salt in, a tablespoon of cumin, tablespoon of paprika, all smoked if you want to use smoked. Tablespoon of turmeric. All to taste, or whatever you fancy, you know. It's entirely up to you. Garlic granules. I want some of that nice flavour in there, so I'm putting a tablespoon. You can put teaspoons, it's up to you. And onion granules. Look. Give that a knock. Come on. There we go. Just give that all a mix. Bit of salt. Just to taste with your salt. I don't like loads of salt. But obviously everyone's different. Pepper. And there is your flour mixture. Done. Nice and simple. Okay, that's been about 2 hours now. Can't really leave it any longer because I've got to do the vid. But as I say, the longer you leave it, the better it will be. So, first things first, I want to get some oil in the pan, and we want to get the oil up first. I'm going to shallow fry this one. I'm going to get some oil in the bottom. Let's bring you a bit closer. I've got my oven on ready for my naan breads. So you could do it in the air fryer, but I always find these sort of things are better done. Just turn that down a bit, don't want it too high. Done when you fry them up. Anyway, now onto the chicken. I've got myself a plate with some parchment paper. So once they go into the flour, I'm going to stick them on there while the oil's warming up. If you get me. Let's get this open. So out. Right, let's get dipping. So shake the excess off as you do. Get it in, get it covered. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Like that, shake the excess off. Probably in your way, you know. And get them on a plate. One hand for dipping, one hand for mixing. I always forget about doing that bit, I always get mixed up. You know what I'm like? Okay, they're all done. They're looking absolutely delicious. There they are, look. I had to use 2 plates, so I've got loads. Now, we're going to get them in, the oil boiling up now. So it won't take long each side. So how many I can get in one go. Don't want to pack the pan too much, we'll probably get 4 in. There we go. Looking nice, look at them. We'll get them fried up and then after about probably 3 or 4 minutes, we'll flip them over. Okay, let's have a look. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes now. Oh no, a bit longer, a little bit longer. We want to get that crispy brown bit on there, don't we? Okay, let's have a look now. As I say, you don't want your fat too hot. Just let it do its thing. You don't want to just, oh, that one's looking nice. I'll just keep flicking and turning them. Make sure they get all the way cooked through. Looking nice, I think they look at them. Oh, yeah. And these are the naan breads I got. You can make your own, can't you? Take you a while though. But these are only like £1.49, I think there was from Aldi. You get 2 and they're absolutely delicious. I'm going to use them, what we do. Sprinkle a bit of water on top and put them in the oven for 5 minutes, that's all, doesn't take long. I don't know if the instructions are on there somewhere. You can grill it, look, or you can oven. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Sprinkle both sides lightly with water, place in a preheated oven for 1 or 2 minutes. I think they take probably about 5. But yeah, then, give these another flip. Oh, that's looking nice now. Oh yeah. Well, I'll keep doing them until they're ready. And when you're finished frying them all up, that's what you end up with. Absolutely delicious, look. Oh yes, just leave them there to drain for a couple of minutes. Look at them beauties. Oh, I hope they look as good on camera as they do there. They look absolutely delicious. Okay, here's the naan breads. Delicious, nice and soft. That's them there. Now I was going to make my own mint sauce. I got the yoghurt, I got the lemon and all that. The only thing I couldn't get mint anywhere, absolutely anywhere. Tesco's, Aldi, all sold out. I mean, say everywhere. I went to Tesco's, I went to Aldi. I didn't go Morrison's or anything. But, so what I'm going to do, I'm having some garlic mayo on the bottom. Yeah, I just couldn't get it. I really wanted some mint yoghurt, but never mind. I'm going to put one of them on there like that. I'm going to get myself a little bit of chopped up lettuce on there. Say you want to put some tomatoes or whatever on there, you can. Just having lettuce. And then we want a couple delicious pieces of chicken. Oh yes. Oh yes. And I think I'll even stick a bit of sriracha on top. Why not? As much as I like. There we go. And we will fold that over like that. Could even put some more chicken in there. I've got loads of chicken. Let's get another one in the middle there like that. There we go. Oh yes. We'll cut it up. And that is delicious. You see it? Oh yes. Right, up the table. Oh yes. Looking delicious, and that's getting tucked into hers, the lads, that is. Look at them beauties. Ooh. What do you reckon, Bab?
That's lovely. Very nice.
Lovely?
It's lovely.
And them naan breads, big naans. Ooh.
Delicious.
Lovely and soft these naans are as well, look. I got some sweet chilli sauce there. If you want some for a dip. Bab? No?
No, thank you.
No?
I don't like that sauce.
You don't like it? Oh, I thought you liked it.
No, I'm not keen on it. Stick with my garlic mayo.
Well, chicken's soft, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Delicious.
I think that's about right, a tablespoon of each, apart from the salt and pepper. Put in what you like, you know. Put about a teaspoon in, I think. But that's so simple. Just fry it up, and it is better than doing it in the air fryer because it goes a bit dry in the air fryer. That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, that's better.
That's really nice. Yeah, air fryers are a lot more convenient, aren't they? A lot more healthy. But sometimes you have something like this. You want the fattiness, don't you? Don't you, Bab?
Yeah.
And let it drain for 5-10 minutes. Absolutely delicious. Yeah, that's getting a straight 10 for me. It's one of my favourites. What about you?
Oh yeah, definitely a 10.
You having a 10 as well?
Yeah, proper 10.
You ain't going to eat all that though, are you? Do you reckon
No.
you're going to eat all that?
Uh-uh.
The huge, ain't they? They are massive, you know.
Not today, I'm not that hungry.
They're very, very
They
big.
are big, aren't they?
Yeah. I've got another naan. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more pieces of chicken there. The 3 of us have had them. So, it'd make 4 easy. Nice and cheap. I'd make 5 actually, because there's 5 chickens there. You know what I mean? And the chicken was, for the thighs, $4.99.
That's
For-
not bad.
I think it was a kg one. It was a big one.
Because you're getting a lot for your dinner as well.
You get a lot, don't you? So, there you go. And a bit of seasoning in your flour, whatever you want, you know. Put in what you like. Apart from that, shame I couldn't get any mint to do my mint yoghurt. Couldn't get any anywhere. I could have put some mint sauce in there, but it's not the same. I wanted some fresh mint, but I couldn't get any. Well, never mind. Anyway, as I say, I am the old food guy. This is delicious. I hope you liked it, Jags. Nice and simple. And these naans, you haven't had any. You want to try them because they're better than the other naans, aren't they?
They're loads better.
Loads better, aren't they?
These are my favourite.
Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.